Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia 2.3 and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD into the device. Now before we get started, we all need this SIM eject tool. Now this comes provided with the device somewhere in the box and you can find that in there, or you can always use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. And from there, once you have it, all you need to do is just insert it where the tray is. So on this phone it's on the upper left side of the device, and from there push it firmly in. You'll see that the tray pops out, and then here you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. Place them accordingly. Make sure that they're laying flush on the tray, as they are for me if I would not be dropping them out. There we go. So you can see that they are laying flush on the tray, and from there you want to insert it back into the device. And from here you should see some kind of indication that it's working. For me it's the pin for the SIM card. Oops. So as you can see, the SIM card is working, and we should also get some notification about the SD, and there we go, SD card. So tap here to set up. So as you can see, both of them are working just fine, and that is how you would insert it. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.